Hi, this afternoon we're going to talk about the BriXcell Smart Charger and how to pair the gateway to the charger itself. You will have received the charger in one of two ways. Either you've purchased it outright and you've received a box such as this, and within the box is the charger itself. In the bottom of the box will be another box that has the gateway in it, and also on the lid is a quick start guide. You can use the quick start guide to aid you through the process of pairing the gateway to the charger. If you purchase the charger outright, it's because it's likely that you have a property already and you're looking to retrofit this charger to the property through the use of a qualified electrician to install that charger. Once the electrician's completed installation, you would then look to pair the gateway to the charger. The electrician could do that, or you could do that yourself. The other way you'll receive the charger is by virtue of it being already fitted to the property that you've moved into, most likely a brand new property. Should that be the case, hopefully they'll left behind this box empty of the charger, but in it still the quick start guide and the gateway. If not, the very minimum they'll need to have left you with is the gateway itself. So that means you would not therefore have the quick start guide, but you can find the quick start guide on the BriXcell website, and if you go to www.brixcell.co.uk/installation, that page, on that page you'll find the PDF of the quick start guide plus another PDF on how to install. Okay, now then, the next thing is to make sure that the charger that is installed on the property is on. You may need to indicate that to find out that it's on, go to the charger itself and see that the halo LEDs and the bar LED are illuminated, most likely blue, with the bar flashing red. If the charger is not on, you will need to go to the consumer unit and find the appropriate switchgear MCB and turn that on to turn on the charger. Okay, so we're now at a point where the charger's on. We now need to power the gateway. So let's take it out the cardboard box, and here we are. Here is the gateway itself. Also in the box is two RFID tags. You'll need to use one of those to complete the process of pairing. Also in the box you should find a cable to power the gateway, and also there's an envelope with some screws and an Allen key. We don't need to talk about that for this video. Okay, you need to find an appropriate USB-C source, USB-C-A source, to power the device. For the convenience of creating this video, I'm using a smart speaker which has a USB-C-A output. So I'm going to connect that to the connector socket on the gateway, and when I do that, the LEDs will come on and power white. They'll stay white for some seconds and they'll go to various colours, and there they go. The top one is red to indicate that we're not yet connected to the Wi-Fi. The middle one is orange to indicate that we're not yet connected to, or paired, I should say, sorry. And the bottom one just indicates that it's the gateway is on. Okay. The next thing we need to do is find the button next to the connector there, and we need to hold that button down for 6 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to, and then once we've done that, this middle LED should start to flash white orange. Okay, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, and there we go. It's now, I think you might have missed that, apologies, but there we are. And then it goes solid white after flashing orange white. We're now ready to go to the charger itself with the RFID tag and swipe the bar on the charger 6 times to force the charger to look for the gateway. Okay, bear with me while we will walk over to the charger. Okay, so here we have the charger. It's flashing red on the bar. So we're now ready to swipe the tag in front of, right next to the bar, and you should see it flash white. We need to do that 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it goes solid white, and then it's now looking for the gateway. Let's go back to the gateway. And the gateway has went from white to orange to blue. Oh, hopefully you saw that. Okay. So that now indicates that they are paired, because the middle LED is now the same as the bar on the charger, the same colour. So we go back to the charger and prove that that's true. And that's now blue. And it's no longer flashing red. Okay, so that now means the gateway is paired to the charger, and we're now ready to go to the next stage, which is to connect the gateway to the back office through the Wi-Fi, and we'll talk about that in the next video. Okay, thank you.